Hi, I'm David Prescott from Canon Europe, and I run the production printing business for Canon in Europe. Canon wants to give its customers an opportunity to understand where the business may be in the future, to give them a real insight into what's happening in the world. Over the last 4 years, since Drupa 2008, we've been publishing a series of reports which we've done with independent consultants, interviewing 700 or so companies across Europe and other parts of the world about the challenges in the industry, the opportunities. 2008 was the first one, mainly commercial printers who wanted to change their business but saw digital as a future growth. 2009 was print rooms, and that was the focus, and they wanted to add new services. 2010 was published at IPEX, and it was a research report into the survival strategies and the success strategies in a recession. And it was proved that a combination of offset and digital technology was the way forward. Now we're about to publish the fourth insight report, which is called The Bigger Picture. And we've taken a step further and gone to talk to the print service provider customers, the print buyers. And so what do you want? Two things. What do you want from your print service provider in the future, and what do they do well now? And secondly, where does print sit in the media communications mix for you as an organisation? And it's across 6 major vertical segments of the industry, and it's things like manufacturing or retail and things like that. And 420 people are interviewed. We have done the initial research, and we gave a sneak preview of it today. I'll come back to that in a minute, but there's another 30 in-depth interviews to be done before we get to Drupa, and we'll publish those at Drupa with the final report. So, key findings, and this is some really good opportunities for print providers in our opinion. 71% of people responded said, yes, print is important. 15% said it was critical. Why are people seeing print growing in importance? Which they are. They see it as a differentiator in their product propositions, and etc. So print is seen as a differentiator because of the quality. Secondly, many of them see it as part of an integrated media communications mix and see it as effective. But interestingly, only 1 in 4 said, we don't know what the return on investment is. We don't measure it. So there's an opportunity for print service providers to measure that return on investment and use it as a way to help print buyers develop more effective campaigns. Other things, print service providers didn't know the real opportunities that digital print offered. 30% said they didn't know it was good for print on demand, or that it couldn't do short run. Yeah? So these are really important things that print service providers have got the equipment, but they're not selling the advantages. And we can help with that by business builder consultants in Europe that can help people sell digital print more effectively. Yeah? It gave some really interesting data about the opportunities and the challenges. Print service providers are seen now, over 88% of them are seen as doing a great job. But actually the print buyers said to us, or said to the research agency, sorry, what we want is for a printer to tell us what is the possibilities of print and the future applications. They get lots of information about mobile and web and pads and all that kind of stuff, but actually what's print going to be? And only 15% apparently of print service providers provide that kind of information. So that's the initial findings, which we think is quite revolutionary in the way it's coming back, but also quite an opportunity for print service providers, and there is an opportunity for a bigger picture of what they are providing. And we've invested our business in Canon and OSE to be the leader in helping them get those solutions working, get the opportunities and realise their ambitions, from whether it's cameras to high volume production. So, and that will be reflected on the Canon stand in the Drupa Hall in 8A, and we look forward to seeing you there. The report will certainly be published on print, and we will make it available in various other formats, and we're looking at the best way to do that, and also make sure that people see the highlights of it and how they can use it. So there will be seminars on the stand as an example for customers to attend and see the highlights, give them something to think about. We really want to challenge but also inspire people on our stand, and the Insight Report is a way of doing it.